Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese out of spoiled milk. Begin by heating the milk slowly to just below boiling and adding acid to separate curds and whey. Stir gently, let curds form for several minutes, then strain through cheesecloth and press the curds. Season or salt to taste, and age or refrigerate depending on texture you prefer. I'll walk you through each step so you can make safe, simple cheese at home without waste. Choose an acid like white vinegar, lemon juice, or yogurt to curdle the milk and measure carefully for consistent results. Warm milk to the correct temperature, then add acid slowly while stirring to encourage even curd formation. Rest the mixture undisturbed for 5 to 10 minutes so curds accumulate, then test firmness before straining. Adjust acid or heat if curds are weak, and keep everything clean to avoid off flavors. After curds form, line a colander with cheesecloth and pour the curds and whey to drain naturally. Gather the cloth, tie it, and hang or place a weight on the curds for 30 minutes to several hours depending on desired firmness. For firmer cheese, press with a consistent weight and flip occasionally to expel whey evenly. Finish with salt or herbs, then refrigerate to set and develop flavor. Serve chilled or use in recipes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.